nearest exits are the two doors located on the left.
Loko si Pozon.
Uy, nasa mga pa daw siya.
Hindi tangig siya dyan. Di pa daw makapasok.
Hi guys, nag-graduate na kami.
Okay lang ba? Hindi ko na ito tatanggalin. Okay naman pala eh.
Okay na.
Si ate.
Guys, nag-graduate na kami. Like, episode 5 na ata ito ng vlog ko. Graduation.
Mama mo. Graduation.
Gagalit siya guys. Mainit ang ulo ko.
Wala ko natama niya. Mapato ko yung cellphone mo sa baba.
Kagulo na.
Saway na pala.
Yo, kadiri.
Ano ba Rong? Ganda niya pa Rong.
Karating siya guys. Si Router.
DJ ah.
No, CJ.
Graduates of the Senior High School Batch 2024 from your respective tracks and strength. You may now transfer the passwords from the right to the left. Congratulations.
Emilians, please execute the hand salute for the EAC here. Ladies and gentlemen, the singing of the EAC hymn to be led by the EAC choral. Parents, please stand.
Mas na to guys.
Tapos si AC him na cause official Emilian pa. Ano ba yun? Okay, to our college students, I say may a red and white be a stand and might for the sake of my good for Emilio Aguinaldo, our alma mater so fair. We bear your name to proud to stand as a closest to the end. Virtue and excellence to serve for all the earth. We'll see this through our mother tongue. We'll see our prayer on earth. For Emilio Aguinaldo, our alma mater so fair. We bear your name to proudly stand as the voices fill the air. Virtue and excellence to serve for all the earth. We'll see this through our mother tongue. We'll see our name on
Maria Christine D. Ampo. Alexandra Denise G. Ayala. Ashley Dayan R. Baca.
No guys, umiiyak siya. Bakit umiiyak? Bakit ka umiiyak? Bakit? Magkikita tayo. Parang hindi na tayo magkikita. Aeroplano pa ako. Ayoko. Umiiyak na si Ashley guys. Hey guys, basang-basa kami guys kasi bumabagyo, di ba?
Akin na itong
Tingnan nyo. Oh. Basa na. Basa din yung heels ko. And yung... Basa.